Hey guys, Alex here. So today I'm going to show you how to make a complete backup of a DVD as an ICO file on your computer. An ICO is a perfect snapshot of entire disk, every menu, chapter, audio track, subtitle, bonus feature. It's all of it in a one single file. Nothing is re-encoded, nothing is lost. You can burn it to a new disk later or mount it and play it directly as if the disk is in a drive. DVDFab DVD Copy handles this really clearly. Let me just show you how it all works.
So first things is the DVDFab. Just download one for the Mac or the Windows, all the links in the description. Open it up, and then this time we want to choose the copy module on the left, not Reaper, copy. Reaper converts the video to a new format, while copy preserves the disk structure exactly as it is. You can see there are several modes across the top. Let me quickly explain the key ones, because picking the right mode is actually matters here. So full disk. Full disk copies everything on the DVD exactly as it is. All menus, all audio tracks, subtitles, extras, same size as the original. This is what you want for a complete archive. Main movie? Well, that strips out the menus and extras, give you just the main feature. Smaller output, good if you just want to film and don't care about any disk structure. Then we have a clone. Clone is a bit-for-bit exact duplicate, more relevant for very specific archiving needs. Between choosing the clone and the full disk, for most people the full disk is the best mode. Then you have a customize. Customize lets you handpick which titles, chapters and audio tracks you want to include. Useful if the disk has content you definitely don't want. So we're going with the full disk today. Now we're just loading the DVD via ad source. All the disk information is showing, including titles, runtimes, everything works. Then in advanced settings in copy mode has a couple of things worth knowing. For example, under the output you can set the disk size DVD9 or DVD5. Under the removing section there is an option to strip Synavier watermarks. Synavier is the watermark that some DVD have, which can cause certain playback device to mute the audio during the playback. If you ever play a backup and suddenly all the sounds is just turning off, that's usually a Synavier. Enabling this removal prevents that issue totally. Down at the bottom here is the Save to section. You see a few output icons. I'm clicking the ICO icon, which tells DVDFab to build the full DVD structure and wrap everything into a single ICO file. So yeah, just pick the output folder and hit the start. It's also worth to mention that if your source is dual DVD9 disc, leave the output size at DVD9. Only compress if you're specifically burning a smaller physical disk. Full disk in ICO mode is pretty fast because it's mostly reading the packaging data rather than just encoding it. Once it's done, the ICO file is in your folder, and that's basically the full disk backup.
So that's how you backup a DVD to ICO using DVDFab DVD Copy. Full disk mode, ICO output, DVD9 size is a dual layer disk, everything on the original disk is preserved exactly as it was. For the Windows users, identical step and identical interface. All the download links for the both platforms below this video. I hope it helps, and I see you in the next one.